highs I can't control. Feelings and emotions I blow through my smoke. So just listen to my flow and keep in hopes that you will know that I'm feeling you.
Sleepy, my eyes feeling low. 10 o'clock, shorty walked out the door. Sitting here in this chair, wondering where she might go. Feeling dumb, feeling numb. Why would she even date a bum? I think about it, I kissed her. I fucking kissed her. I kissed her, so I text her, I miss you. No answer. What the fuck is going on? Cock blocking phone, struck a deal with the ceiling fan. Trying to blow my high. Phone rings, it's Cleve, god damn it. Hang it up, then stole cone, slam it, god damn it. And then what? Brad comes walking out, said, fuck what you talking about. 45 minutes, then he bounced to fuck his girlfriend with his mouth looking sick, man. No shit, man. I ain't beating my dick, man. Besides, this ain't even my house. I jacked the couch. Man, I wish I laid her there. Crack jokes. Told her she should try red hair. No hope.
Wherever shall I go? My highs I can't control. Feelings and emotions I blow through my smoke. So just listen to my flow and keep in hopes that you will know that I'm feeling you through the smoke.
Girl on my highs, you love being my wife. You and me built on lies, it's built on enterprise. But the girl on my lows, she down for heaven's knows. Ride or die, ride the bus. She that shit that you can trust to be around when things go down. But now the girl on my highs can be all mine. Cause for the girl on my lows, this ain't the life we had before. I'm always on the go, and now she say I'm acting like someone she don't even know. But with the girl on my highs, it don't matter, cause she just wanna shop and have swagger. What do I do? I'm torn between the two. How do I choose? Can't have highs without lows. I let them both go and focus on my goals. Going for the goal, #1 spot. Well, everybody always said it's lonely at the top.